So today is 19th September and I just woke up actually. It's going to be 10 o'clock. I slept pretty late and that's why I woke up really late. So welcome back to the vlog. And today's agenda is basically, I did talk about this in my last video, I guess. So I do want to completely take out everything that's in there, on there, in the middle part as well of my cupboard and just declutter and organize. So I will be decluttering a lot today, and if you guys like decluttering, organizing videos, I hope you might enjoy today's vlog as well. So let's get done with my morning routine and finish up a little bit of work because I still have some things to get done for today's video. So I'm gonna get all of that done and then we shall start with the organization. And also I'm thinking of doing Project Pan, which will be my upcoming video. So yeah, I'm not going to talk a lot about that in this video. So yes, I hope that you guys enjoyed today's video, and if you guys do, as always, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and also subscribe because we have a lot of videos coming up. Hydrate. Breakfast looks so pretty. Like, wow, I missed having pancakes. Like, it's been a while since I've had like pancakes for breakfast. They look so yummy. I'm excited. Okay, I'm gonna have my pancakes and eggs for breakfast, and I'm gonna do some work. The work that I said that I had to get done, I'm just gonna get that done. And then we shall start with the decluttering and the organizing and all of that. I'm excited actually, morning. It's the next day. I know. So yesterday, after I finished all the editing and everything, I went downstairs and I realized that we have guests yesterday. And since then, I was in the kitchen the most of the day. And by evening, by the time they left, I looked pretty messed up. And I was feeling really, really tired that I wanted to take a nap, which I very rarely do, y'all. And I think I slept for like 2 hours. Yes. And I felt so good and I just relaxed for the rest of the day. I did not do any kind of editing. I didn't do anything at all yesterday. So yeah, that's what happened yesterday. And today I woke up, and the minute I woke up, I got ready because I was like, I am filming today. I am getting this video done today. I am getting the decluttering done today because I have to. So right now I'm just having my breakfast. So I'm having idli, sambar, chutney. Tell me, who else loves idlis more than doshas? I do. And yes, I have a lot of sambar. That's how I like to eat. I need a lot of curry. Hey guys, so I'm in my room. It's a lot of products, so I want to give you guys a disclaimer before I start this video. Nobody needs this much makeup or art and craft supplies or just anything that I have in there. No one needs these many stuff, okay? And honestly, I kind of feel bad that I own so much, which I don't even use. So yeah, this is actually a reminder. If you are on an urge to buy something that you already own, just don't, okay? Think not once, not twice, think like 1,000 times before you put your hard-earned money into something. So yeah, don't just buy for the sake of buying and hoarding. I'm gonna take everything out. So yeah. So this is what the top part looks like, and this is what the first drawer looks like. I do need to dust it and clean it. And this is the second drawer. This one used to have like a lot of skincare here, which all I cleared out. I also need to kind of organize this one. The third drawer has a lot of papers, art stuff and all of that. I don't think I'm going to tackle this right now because it's too much. And this one has like all of my gadget stuff, some hair colors which I'll be using soon, and just boxes, random pouches, my heating pad and all of those things. Pretty random. And this one again is pretty random, has a lot of my old files, things, mask, my razor blades, a few wallets and all of that. So this is all the makeup, skincare and nail polish and just all the shit that I own right here. So that's all the things. I've just taken them out of the boxes and out of the first and second drawer. What I'm going to do right now is segregate them. It is like drawer set. So I had makeup in this as well as in the first drawer. And I might see if I can, give something to my friends or someone. Anything if it's dried out or if it's like completely useless, all of those things I'm gonna get rid of them. So yes, let's get started. I have organized everything right there. So let's start from here. This is all the empties or things that I don't need anymore or dried out things, just useless stuff. So that's there. Then I have all of my body mist. I don't usually use perfume, so all I have are body mist. These two will be getting over soon fast. This one's pretty old, but I haven't used it much, so I need to make sure that I use this. All of my makeup brushes, I need to clean them, of course. So earlier I had a lot of lipsticks and I just organized all of my lipsticks into this one organizer. So this is all the lipsticks that I own right now. These are all the nude shades that I love using right here, and these are like a couple of reds that I own. And here is all the funky shades that I don't usually use. Then in the next lipstick organizer, I have organized all of my eye products. So I have all of my eyeliners, colored eyeliners, my mascaras, and also my brow products right here, these two and this one. So that is all of my eye products right there. Now that looks way more organized, and also it's easier for me to pick them up and use all of them up. Coming to the rest of my makeup, here I have all of the makeup that I actually love using, and I don't have to, kind of force myself to use these things up because these are things that I love using and I will anyways go ahead and use them. But those are all the products that I need to use them up as soon as possible because the foundation as well as the concealers are gonna get expired soon. And also all of these eyeshadows, I need to try and use them. I never use them. These are all funky colors and I never end up using them. So I want to force myself to use these eyeshadows more often and just, make some use out of them. That's all. That one has my fake lenses and my fake lashes and lash glue and all of those things right there. None of them are getting expired anytime soon. So that's right there. And those are all of the things that I want to give other people. So if my friends come over or if I'm going to go to my native place, I'm going to take all of those things and just show them. If they need, they can take. And if no one takes, then I will just discard them. That's all. Those are all the tools that I have. Scissors, eyelash curler, some sharpeners and all of those things. This is pretty random. It's just a tray wherein I used to keep all of the random things, my jewels and all that. That is all new skincare. Those are all the skincare that I'm using currently and I love them. So once they get over, these products will replace them. Those are all the skincare and haircare that I have had for a while and I have not completely finished them. Those are all the nail polishes that I own now. So I used to own a lot, guys, and I discarded a lot. And also I'm gonna give some to my friends or family. I used to love doing my nails, that's why I have so many nail colors. But then recently I've not been much into nail coloring. But I need to start using these up. I don't want to waste any of them. All of these are really pretty colors and I don't want to waste them, so I need to use them up. That's all of my supplements. And guys, this box is completely empty and I'm not going to put anything in here. So yes, all of my makeup is going to go into this one drawer and I'm sure I'll be able to fit it in. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do now. Hey guys, so with that, I am done organizing the whole thing. So all the moisturizers that are like halfway through or like 3/4 done and not yet completed are like here. And the skincare that I'm currently using is also right here. And then I have both my body mists which are like halfway done. So I have kept everything that I can easily use up or things that I need to use up because they are expiring soon is out here. Again, I have this peel that I need to use up before it expires right here. I have my body lotion that's like already halfway used up. I have all of my supplements out here because I tend to forget them. And then I have 3 products that I bought a while ago but I never got to using them up completely. As you can see, there's like very little bit in there. It's actually an underarm cream but it didn't do much for my underarms, so I'm just trying to use it up somehow. As you can see, it looks really pretty, so I bought it for Instagram but then I never got to using it because it was not very, how do you put it, like not very useful for your skin as such. It's just the looks and you know the glittery thing, that's all. Not very useful, so yeah, I never got to using that as well. And also I need to use my aloe vera as much as I can because this is getting expired soon. And then I just put all of my nail colors right here because if I see them like that, I might do my nails, you know, I might. But as of now, my nails look disgusting. And I really want to do my nails more often and just make them look pretty and just, you know, be presentable, that's all. It looks really full, but half of the products up here is gonna get over like in a couple of weeks maximum. And then the first drawer has all of my makeup, everything. So I have all of the palettes and everything that I use like on an everyday basis right here. And the palettes and makeup that I don't use very commonly is back there. And then all of my eye products, all of my lip products, and all of the fake lashes and fake lens in there. Then we have all of my concealer, my highlights, primer, and all of those things here. All of the tools right here. Both the foundation that I use commonly right here. My brow product is close to all the eye products. And then my watches, again, some of my everyday used jewelry right in there. All of my makeup is now in here itself. Then we have the second drawer. This one has all of the like extra tools that I have, cotton pads, multani mitti or other kinds of clay for DIY stuff, and my trimmer box and just random things, and skincare or just, you know, my vitamins and everything that are like extra is in here. And all of my new skincare and stuff is in here inside my cupboard actually, so that once I finish the ones that I'm currently using, I can just take the extra ones from here and start using. So yes, that is all the extra hair care or skincare that I have. And then on this side of the cupboard up here, I've kept this tray wherein I have all of the products that are not at all used or slightly used and is completely fine for other people to use. I have all of those products here, so my friends or family can have these. So yes, with that we are done with organizing all of my makeup and skincare and decluttering a lot of these things. And I think I'll be able to use up a lot of these things soon. Even these many is too much for me as of now. It's a lot, guys. When you have too many products, it's actually overwhelming and it clutters your surroundings. It clutters your mind as well. So yes, I don't want to be a hoarder anymore. I am going to be much more thoughtful before buying things from now on. And I want to buy only things that are like something that I really need, not just buying for the sake of buying. Yes, I really hope that you guys enjoyed today's video, and if you did, as always, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and also please do subscribe to my channel because that would make the world to me. So please do subscribe and join the family. And yes, with that said, comment down below if you have any video suggestions for me. And thank you so much for watching. Love you all. Bye.